G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation video for our Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a Ford Territory. Well, this one fits onto the passenger side, super easy to install and looks great. Keeps all your seat movement and what a great way to look after your car. So let's go install it. So the tools you require to install the bracket is a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet, a couple of 8mm spanners, and a Phillips head screwdriver, or what I'm using here is just an impact. What you do is you start by removing the Phillips head screw that's inside this plastic cover. You remove that and then slip that, and that will give you access to the T50 Torx bit bolt. As you can see here, this one's already had its plastic cover removed, but those are the bolts that you need to remove. So with that screwdriver, just remove the bolt that is in here. Slip him off and out the way, and then you got to remove that T50 Torx bit or bolt. After you've removed your two bolts, then as you can see, the bracket sits there like that, but we want to attach the extinguisher cage onto the bracket first. But just find somewhere where it will line up and where it will look really good. So on this one, I'm just going to use the second slot. As you can see, the bracket comes with the two M5 high tensile nuts and bolts, and you use those to attach the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. In the video today, I'm installing this one with a twin latch that we sell on our website, but you can use any metal caged fire extinguisher up to about 1.5 kilograms. And then use those two 8mm spanners to tighten the bolts up. Then simply install the bracket into its position and put the factory bolts back in. I'll always do them up by hand first so you don't cross thread them. So always do them up by hand, just like this, before you drive them down, especially if you have an impact driver. Then just tighten them up. Then simply install the extinguisher into its cage and clip them up. Reinstall the plastic cover. Job done. And it looks fantastic. Fits in there perfect. You have full seat movement, as you can see here. Goes over the top, forward and back. And if you ever need your fire extinguisher, it's really easy. Method, just click the two clips, pull it out, pull the pin, and squeeze the two handles at the base of the fire. Nice and easy. We found the other side of the plastic cover. Now, to make this fit perfect, you do need to take about 10mm off the bottom of the plastic cover, just with a Dremel or a hacksaw. But it will still sit on there, just not 100% flush, as you can see. But, I mean, still looks perfect. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you like our little fire extinguisher for the Ford Territory. I know that this one works really, really well, and it looks great inside the car. It took us a little while to develop it because there's so many angles and planes that we had to adjust for. However, as you can see, it does look really good and functions perfect. But if you don't have a Ford Territory, we have so many other brackets on our website. Just go on there and search for your car. And if you buy 5 or more, you get an automatic 20% discount, which is massive. So thanks so much for supporting a small company, and I hope you have a lovely day. Thanks.